And racing now, and a pretty nice event beginning to the super mega outstanding favorite Cats Diamond didn't waste time at the start of the race. Muchos Gracias in second, and in third we have Clive Ridge. Then down on the inside fourth we have Jebel Ali. The favorite Cats Diamond, who's gunning for his 7th straight victory tonight, is out in front, leads by about 3/4 of a length. And in second is a Muchos Gracias, running 3 wide. Clive Ridge, as they pass the last 600, is still the leader. Cats Diamond, Clive Ridge now in second, and in third Muchos Gracias. And they are now entering the home stretch, and it's still Cats Diamond, then being chased by Clive Ridge. Down on the inside, Muchos Gracias, and in fourth now is a Hold the Bubbly. As they enter the last 350, Mark Alvarez now giving a little shake on Cats Diamond. Muchos Gracias is down on the inside, and in third is a Clive Ridge, but Cats Diamond now starts to draw away, and finally the horse of Mr. Marlon Cananan, Cats Diamond. Second, Muchos Gracias, Clive Ridge. So endearing.